prevention, detection, diagnosis, treatment. It all starts here. With decades of experience, our Cardinal Health Laboratory Products team understands that ever-evolving scientific innovations in diagnostic testing can be complex. Our laboratory kitting services are designed to provide the expertise, choice, efficiency, and savings you need to navigate these complexities and achieve your unique goals. Our kitting managers help you determine the most effective kit configuration for your collection needs and find opportunities to increase adherence to specimen collection protocols. At our 109,000 square foot kitting facility in East Hartford, Connecticut, we offer an effective combination of products: packaging, instructions, compliant labeling, and the ability to track and receive specimens to the lab safely and on time. Whether for blood and urine, biopsies and genetic testing, screenings and convenience kits, we customize the kit for your needs. Our collaboration helps simplify workflows, drive standardization, reduce SKUs, decrease turnaround time, and minimize untraceable lots. With laboratory kitting solutions from Cardinal Health, get more value from your budget and find more time to deliver accurate results from point of collection through laboratory analysis. To learn more or to start the kit configuration process, connect with a kitting manager at cardinalhealth.com/lab kitting services.